If you have to create very often the same folders for your projects, then of course you can create each folder by yourself. Or use this shortcut, I run it and I can type the project name, for example, project A, and then I can choose the folders I want to create, for example, this one not, and click done. And there you can see the project A folder is created and all the other folders too. And in this video I will show you step by step how you can create this shortcut. It's really easy. And of course you can download this shortcut and many other shortcuts from my Patreon website. So let's start. Open the app Apple's Shortcuts and click on the plus button on the top right corner to create a new shortcut. On the top left corner you can click on title and name your shortcut, for example project folders A. And if you click on this little icon, you can choose a color and an icon. First, search on the right side for the action Ask for Input and double click on this action Ask for Input. If you want, you can type a prompt, for example, project, and then open this action, deactivate multiple lines. Next, we need a list for our subfolders. Search on the right side for list and double click on this action list. Here you can name your subfolders, and if you click on this little plus button, you can add new lines to your list. Now we want to choose from our list. On the right side, if you search for list, there should also be the action choose from list. Double click on this action and open the action and enable select multiple. And select, if you want, the next option. Now we have to create all the subfolders. For that, search for repeat with each and double click on this action repeat with each. This action will repeat the same action with all the items we choose before. Now search for create folder and you should find the action create folder. Don't double click on it, drag it and drop it into your repeat action. Here you will see the shortcuts folder. Click on shortcuts and here you can select your project main folder. This is, for example, this one. And now we have to create our main project folder and our subfolders. For that, make a right click on path and select ask for input. Then click behind this ask for input, make a slash, and now we need our subfolder, and for that make a right click behind the slash, select insert variable and select repeat item. Not repeat index, you need repeat item. Now our shortcut is ready to try out. Click on this play button and type your project name, for example project A, and I can select the subfolders. Done. If I open my project folder, there should be the folder project A and in this folder the subfolders. At the end I want to show you how you can access your shortcut quickly. For example via widget. Make a right click on your desktop, select edit widgets and search for shortcuts. Here you can select a single shortcut with this widget or you select a folder from your shortcuts app. I select this one, the single shortcut, and now I make a right click on this widget, select edit shortcut, and here I can search the shortcut I created. Then I click on done, and here's my widget, and if I click it, it runs the shortcut. But there's another cool way via Spotlight. Type command space and type the name from your shortcut. New project folder. And you can run your shortcut. You also can add quick keys, so you don't have to type the whole name from your shortcut. For example, npf, okay? And all the time I type npf, it should display my shortcut. If you want to know how you can open all your favorite folders with just one click like this, then watch this video. See you, bye bye.